Everybody, it's Adam and Will, MarketChameleon.com. Actually, I'm calling it Adam and Gigantor over there if you're seeing us live. What's up, man?
It's a large head.
The large head. Dude, I'm loving the tree in the background, though, man. I haven't got my tree yet. You know, in Costa Rica, we go out, we chop them down, just like the U.S., man.
Do you?
Yeah,
they've got pine forests?
Absolutely, man. Believe it or not, man. Where there is a will, there is a way, and people can grow stuff anywhere. It's amazing.
So is it local to the area? They have regions of.
Dude, they have little trees. They're usually smaller. You know, we don't get the gigantic 30-foot trees like you're getting over there, but you know, yeah, they're little trees. You go out, the guy goes out with his little saw, and saws it down, man. It's pretty cool.
Wait, there's a little guy there who saws it for you?
A little guy, dude. Oh yeah. Do you have to saw
the whole thing is,
do you saw it yourself?
Well, the whole thing is you're supposed to walk out, pick the tree. This is my wonderful tree.
We do that. You do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's funny. That is funny. All right. Well, I'm going to share the screen.
All right. Before we get to the screen, everybody, there's the disclaimer. Please remember option trading. All trading is inherently dangerous. So do your own research. Be careful out there. And what do you got today for us, man?
Oh, we got so much going on. Get rid of your face. I don't know if you remember, we were talking about this Ollie as a bearish play a while back. Yep. Yesterday, the bears got a hold of it. It was down 17%. This stock is, I mean, it's a great retailer. And again, I had missed the whole play in it, having seen the CEO speak at an analyst conference. The guy really had some interesting ideas, and it went on a long run, a very long bullish move over the last couple years. Yep. And it may have missed some numbers, got caught up in just the market sell-off yesterday, but keep an eye on this for further
down 17%. Ouch.
Downside. Do your searches on Ollie. That actually, as we were sitting here, popped up on
the front page. Really?
Yeah. Another product I was looking at was a Zoomez, some put activity yesterday. We did report it during the day, which was nice to see. Watch for some follow through in this stock as well. So I wanted to show there's a big event this morning. So if you go to your stocks and go to event-driven insight screener, and we have an earnings, or excuse me, a labor report this morning. So you would have to have looked at this previously. It's this employment situation report. With the volatility of the market right now, you know, a report like this could be a big bullish move or a big bearish move based on the structure of the report and how it's viewed by the marketplace.
Yeah.
So if you click on it, you'll get 2,698 rows of
yeah. 67,000 entries.
That data that the Chameleon puts together. So what we're going to do is try to break down the report into better observations and better win rates. So
well, I think really for anybody using the Chameleon for the first time, remember you can click down below, click MarketChameleon.com, get on there and use this sort of tool. This just helps you speed up your analysis and get to the trades quicker. I mean,
well, let's be honest. No one's going to be able to do this analysis.
It's impossible.
I mean, the amount of data for the average person to go through is incredible. And
I mean, what you're doing here is you're back testing. You're going through what 12 observations.
These are the last 12 employment situation report numbers. We're going to do the win rate. Let's do above. We'll do above 70.
Yep.
Average return, let's do above 2%. Median return, we'll keep it at 2. And, you know, we now have 25 rows of data. So let's, we'll click on the win rate.
Are you liking any of those? You got some 100% winners?
Well, yeah. I mean, you like all of these, right?
Yeah.
All of these.
Who doesn't like 100% winners, man? I like 100% winners.
Again, this had to be played. You know, these. This was 2 weeks before. I'm just show. This is, you know, this report's coming out this morning at 8:30. You see right here.
Yep.
So you'd have had the you have to look at these reports weeks before to start
making the
putting on your
trades. Yeah,
trades. Yes.
absolutely. Mm-hmm.
So this is 2 days before. This is the time frame
Yep.
before get a full explanation. Just hover over. So this is, and it explains the trade if you hover over. And there, are a lot of opportunities above 90%. It looks like, well, 2 pages, 3 pages above 80%. It looks like. I'll give you a quick snapshot of one coming up. I noticed. So this is the jobless claim is in 4 days. So let's see if we can get any opportunities to pop up.
Just in case anybody missed that, in the event type, you just click the drop down arrow.
Yep.
And then you have your whole selection of all the different events. Fantastic. And it actually gives it to you right there when they're actually coming up. It's a pretty amazing tool. And
so we know it's in 4 days, so we can go to time frame
Yep.
and just get 1 week before. And that will give us things that we can put on now.
Mm-hmm.
And so here are a bunch of products, 12 observations. The win weight's been 90% of the last 12 observations. So this is back tested the stock data around these reports and giving you some opportunities to dig, it's giving you win rates basically. And, this is a great way to find opportunities to put some money to work.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, this is people do hold. This is a lot of guys. This is the only way they trade. It's fantastic. So
a lot of the stock traders use, they've grabbed the data and stored it themselves for years. We're exposing this data, the back test, everything in one platform. So it makes it very, very useful and friendly. We did come out with the new spread screeners, which are pretty intense. And I thought I would go through a couple of the bulls and the bearish spreads and throw in some different edge parameters. Let's clear this and I can just show you what I did. It's it pulls millions of rows, well, at least 1 million rows of data, so it may take a couple seconds. But so they're 50,000.
Chameleon's working hard back there, man.
Yep.
That Chameleon's
50,000
tired, dude. 1 million rows, and it takes him half a second back there.
For December 21.
Yeah.
I put in something with some nice edge. I'm going to reload this preset. For those who don't know, you go and you can play around with any of the strategy, event parameters, theoretical edge you want, and you can save it, a new preset, name it whatever you want.
So you named it Nice Edge? Look at you,
nice,
man. With your
nice
fancy
edge.
names. Dude, nice Edge, okay Edge, good Edge. Everybody know okay Edge is better than good Edge. Tell us your naming parameters, man. This I gotta hear, dude. Give it to me.
Nice, nice, and then great.
Love
that
man.
made me feel good this morning.
Nice parameters, yes.
This is a brand new screener, so I wanted to just pop something in there for myself.
Awesome.
But the thing that popped up in and these are bullish, so we have to, you have to be bullish on these products going into this selection if it's something that you want to do. The one that popped up to me in the bullish was Nike.
Mm-hmm.
Going into the holiday season, it's actually, this is a nice feature too. If you look you can go see the technicals on the product. Nike's showing increasing bullishness in the optional order flow.
Yep.
You can look at the historical seasonality of it. So this is the seasonality of Nike during this, what would be this trading period if you put on this bullish spread.
Right.
So it's had 66% positive observations over the last 12 seasonality screens. So that last 12 years that's going through. So all this is showing that, there is some edge in this trade. And to me, it's something I'd look deeper in, these spreads. So go take a look at Nike and actually go through all these new screeners. They're really cutting edge.
Why don't you show
this,
them real quick where the how do you get to them real quick so people don't waste time?
Go to screeners.
Yep.
And then it's categorized if you want to be, if you believe the market's going to be sideways, which right now I would say it's probably not going to be sideways. We're probably going to be moving
one way or the other, right?
Ripping higher or lower. I mean, it seems like the volatility just is continuing to increase. So if you're bullish, take a look at the debit call credit put spreads, bearish credit call spreads, and debit put spreads. And just go through these new screeners. Lot of interesting features and a lot of identifiers of edge, win rates. Really, take a look. It'll show you a lot of opportunities.
That's fantastic stuff. That's new to the site. A lot of guys working for months getting that stuff together. That is not easy. So be sure to check that out. That is a new product we got on the site, and it's pretty awesome. All right, brother. You got anything else for us today? Any more winner chicken dinners, dude?
We can end it there. Let's end it there.
We'll end it with the screeners. All right, everybody.
Remember, have a great weekend.
Click down below. You can follow along with the data and analytics at MarketChameleon.com. Listen to us everywhere. We got the podcast if you want to listen during your workouts. Just check out wherever you get your podcasts. And have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you on Monday. Later.
Enjoy.